Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program your Chevy Tahoe garage door opener. First, locate the 3 home link buttons, typically on your overhead console. Ensure your garage door opener remote has fresh batteries for success. To begin, clear any previous programming by pressing and holding the 2 outer home link buttons for about 20 seconds. The indicator light will flash rapidly, confirming a clean slate for your new programming. Now, let's link your remote. Hold your garage door opener remote 1 to 3 inches away from the home link buttons. Choose one of the 3 home link buttons you wish to program. Simultaneously press and hold both your garage door remote's open button and your chosen home link button. Keep holding both buttons until the home link indicator light begins to flash rapidly. This indicates that the signal has been learned. Almost there. Next, you'll need to sync with your garage door opener motor unit. Locate and press the Learn or Smart button on the motor unit itself, usually near the antenna. After pressing it, you'll have approximately 30 seconds to return to your Tahoe. Once back in your vehicle, press and hold the home link button you just programmed for 2 seconds, then release. Repeat this press and release sequence up to 3 times. Now it's time to test your new programming. Press the home link button you just set up and confirm that your garage door opens and closes correctly. If you encounter any issues or the door doesn't respond, simply repeat the entire programming process from the beginning, paying close attention to each step. Sometimes, a second attempt does the trick. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to some fantastic darn tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.